He's a full-time firefighter. So how did Dwayne Mitchell build a $500,000 drain cleaning business with just one employee? His secret weapon, Hammerhead Trenchless. Find out how Dwayne Mitchell's calculated risk paid off big. His game changer is the Hammerhead Quick Lock CIPP pipelining system. Ready to take the leap yourself? Visit hammerheadtrenchless.com. We're diving into that story and much more in this month's Cleaner magazine. 3 decades dominating Iowa. Now, this Midwest powerhouse is plotting its expansion. Is your market next? Get the inside track on Bailey Inc.'s multi-service strategy and their vision for going nationwide. For 50 years, Ventilation Power Cleaning has tackled the Northwest's toughest industrial lines. Their secret weapon? Nozzles they wouldn't trade for anything. Here's the brand they've trusted for decades. See how one district modernized decades-old wastewater inspections. Plus, witness a subtle pool leak meet its match. Real problems, real solutions, real results you can use. Learn the chemistry behind long-term root control and reclaim your sewer lines. Plus, if you're losing good people, here are the golden handcuffs that lock in loyalty. NASTT's completely revised and brand new courses on CIPP, HDD, laterals, and more are here. See what's new in advanced leak detectors, pinpoint line locators, and crystal clear inspection cameras. 60-day open time for epoxy? Find out how Formadrain's Durapox 201 is rewriting the rules of mainline lining. That's a wrap on the June 2025 Cleaner Magazine highlights. For the full stories and even more industry insights, grab your copy today. Thanks for tuning in. We'll catch you next month.